Can we have our Newton people up front here? And our tables get moved now? Okay. Here's our Newton, come on up. Arabella, Rowan. I think you'll be down over here at that station. Who's my three other people, guys? Here we go. Stay right there. Keith. All right, who else do we have? Arabella, Rowan, come to the middle. Get that ball. Give that to Arabella. Rowan, you're over here. Arabella, go by Keith. Keith, you're on.
So it was Daniel Bernoulli who discovered the Bernoulli principle that states that when a fluid is in a stream of fast-moving air, what happens is you decrease the pressure. So when you look at an airplane, you might notice that the wing has a slope to it. And that's because when wind goes over the top of a wing, it actually moves faster than it does underneath the bottom of the wing, which creates lift because underneath the wing there's high pressure, but right on top of the wing there's low pressure. And we're going to demonstrate that with beach balls. So as long as this beach ball is in a stream of fast-moving air, there's less pressure. Now, around that fast-moving air, you have 14 pounds of atmospheric pressure per square inch holding the ball in that stream of fast-moving air. And that's what we want you to see in this amazing Bernoulli principle demonstration.
Here, come hold it, bro. Here, hold the mic. Ready? Let's go out here, ready? Catch it, on the count of three, catch it. 1, 2, let go. Turn that one off. Wait, Roy, stay. Roy, stay. Really, here. All right, that was pretty cool. That was straight up. But now let's see if we can do it differently. So if we do it sideways, the air is going to go so fast, fast air has less pressure. So think of this room as some thick, thick soup. But think of the fast air as like water going fast. The ball should stay in that fast area. It shouldn't go up, it shouldn't go down. We'll start going up, and then we're going to slowly lean it over the audience, okay? Let's just do the big, you want to do the little one? Okay, just do the little, here we go. You ready? Okay. Let's do the big one. Do the big one. Throw that one back up here, the big one back up. Thank you. Just hold it above there, straight up, don't throw it. Here we go, ready? That's pretty amazing. Ready? Round of applause for Bernoulli and Newton.